welcome back to my channel. Now if I look the same as in my other video, that's because I'm filming it right after, but I thought I would talk about the eye look that I created using the new Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette by the brand the Crayon Case. I love this palette. I think that it's really versatile, and I wanted to create a Valentine's Day look that anyone could create. It didn't take a lot of makeup brushes, it didn't take a lot of products, and something that didn't take a lot of time. So on a Morphe R37, we're taking the yellow shade in the palette and we're just working that in our crease through windshield wiper motions. It just makes it easier. It's a nice transition shade, and we're basically working that in the crease because we're setting it up for the next color. Now I'm taking the pink shade on the MAC 217 and I'm just working that in my crease underneath the yellow. Basically windshield wiper motions, nothing too intense, as you can see in the clip. Building up the color, just blending it out, buffing it. I look up into the camera just to make sure that it's blending how I like it. And then I take the R37 with no additional product on it, and I'm just going to work that above just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. And basically continue the process, add more pink, use the R37 to buff it out if I feel like there are harsh lines. Nothing too crazy. Now I'm taking the Morphe M167 to pack on the purple color. Now it was coming off really patchy and the color payoff wasn't what I wanted it to be. So I ended up using my fingers, but I have some big old fingers. So I ended up grabbing the Morphe M411 and bringing up the purple to right underneath the pink. You can also use the Sigma E45 to do that as well. And I'm basically just bringing it up to the pink, buffing it out as I go along. Then also grabbing the MAC 217 and basically making sure that there are no harsh lines between the pink and the purple, and going back and adding more products. So as you can see, I'm just going back, blending, adding more products, making sure that everything is seamless. It's a really simple look to achieve. Now you're seeing me struggle with a black liner. This is from Essence. It was really difficult to use. I didn't feel like it was giving me enough black color in my waterline, and I was just struggling, and it was like tugging up on my lid onto the purple, which I had to later fix. But now I'm just adding a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Tarte Tarteist mascara just because it really makes my lashes pop. It makes them long. It gives them a curl. It's really, really dark. It's really, really black. So it's one of my favorite mascaras if I'm just wearing mascara and no false lashes. For my bottom lash line, I am taking the Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Plumeria and just putting that in my waterline. I then take the purple shade, which I'm sorry I cut it off, on a E45 or the Morphe like M411, and I'm basically slightly smoking out the bottom lash line with a little bit of the purple. I then take a smaller blending brush that's from Luxie. I believe, I don't really remember what it's called, but you can do any like pencil brush with the pink and basically slightly smoking out that purple as well, just making sure everything's seamless. I wanted to make it easy and simple. You can make this look a little bit more intense by maybe adding a little black on the outside to kind of really smoke it out. You can put a wing liner, you can put false lashes. You can really make this look your own and just build it up with whatever you feel comfortable with. The only addition that I personally would do for this look would be to add lashes. I didn't want to add lashes just because I know that everyone can put on a pair of lashes, so I just wanted to use mascara. If you guys like these really short eye makeup tutorials, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me and I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and when you do, tell your friends so that they can tell their friends and 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 their friends, so we could all be parts of this great big familia. Make sure you head on over to my social media platforms, my Snapchat, my Instagram, my Twitter. Slide up in those DMs. I want to hear from you guys. But yeah, guys, I hope you truly enjoyed the video. I hope you have a bomb AF Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating by yourself, with your significant other, or with your pet. You know, ain't no judgment here. But yeah, guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.